Steamy showers, zero shivers. The WhisperWarm DC fan that turns your bathroom into a spa fortress. Let's be real, no one wants to step out of a warm shower into an Arctic blast. Enter the Panasonic FV30VQ3 WhisperCeiling Spot Ventilation Fan, a beast of a ceiling mount that quietly crushes cold, damp bathroom vibes like it's on a mission from a spa god. Boasting a 1600 watts PTC heater in Picaflow speed selector, this fan isn't just whisper quiet, it's whisper warmer. Whether you're dealing with foggy mirrors or frosty mornings, it heats up fast, ventilates hard, and keeps things dry and cozy without blasting your eardrums. Unlike clunky, noisy bathroom fans that sound like jet engines stuck in drywall, the WhisperWarm DC lives up to its name. Thanks to its ECM SmartFlow motor, it delivers powerful airflow even through tough ductwork while staying ultra-silent, 1.5 sones, translation, softer than your cat purring. This means no more guessing games on installation or performance drops due to weird ceiling setups. It's smart enough to auto-adjust to resistance, giving you code-compliant air quality and instant warmth with zero fuss. But wait, this ain't your grandma's bathroom fan. It's got a sleek dimmable 10 watts LED light, a separate less than 1 watt nightlight, perfect for midnight zombie shuffles, an optional 4-inch or 6 ducting with flexi fast brackets that make install stupidly simple, even from below the ceiling. It's modern, energy efficient, and engineered to handle the real-world chaos of daily life while saving you money on energy bills and future upgrades. It's a long-term win for both pros and picky homeowners. Compared to other so-called premium bathroom fans, the WhisperWarm DC is the quiet killer, slaying competition with better airflow at higher static pressure, more effective heating, and zero compromise on code compliance. Whether you're doing a full remodel, upgrading comfort in an older home, or adding luxury to an assisted living space, this fan gets you pro-level results without HVAC-level headaches. No callbacks. No drama. Just pure indoor bliss. This Panasonic fan is the truth, quiet, powerful, energy smart, and built to last. It's not just a vent fan, it's a mini HVAC upgrade disguised as a ceiling unit. If you're tired of cold tiles, fogged mirrors, and fans that wheeze like asthmatic vacuums, the FV30VQ3 WhisperCeiling is your steamy salvation. Install it once. Love it forever. Or keep living that chilly post-shower life. Your move.